Do you ever feel like you were made for more? You wake up, follow the same routine, and go to bed with that quiet thought, is this really all there is? What if we told you that deep down inside you, there's a vision planted, one that's been calling you for years, a life of meaning, time, flexibility, freedom, and fulfillment. It's not just a dream, it's possible, and it's closer than you think.
We help people like you build a purpose-driven online business. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, full-time employee, or just looking for a shift, this is for you. Click the link below at sarahkariuki.net. We've walked this journey. We know what it's like to feel stuck and crave something real. That's why we created a space where you can learn step by step, be part of a positive, faith-grounded community, and begin building something that works for your life, not against it.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need a heart that's ready for more. So if you're hearing that quiet whisper again, don't ignore it.
Don't ignore it. Let this be your turning point. Click the link below at sarahkariuki.net today and start your journey with our free digital workshop. This could be the moment your life begins to shift. Your future is waiting. It's time to meet your future. Click the link.